Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is it. Looking for a well-built, low maintenance and luxurious townhouse? Look no further. This unit is suitable for a new home buyer as well as a returning resident. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, luxurious listing is sure to suit all your needs, having adequate yard space for the kids to play around or to host a family event. This unit also has a bedroom and bathroom located on the ground floor, as well as a garden area that you can alter as you see fit. Walking distance from the town, KFC, Sovereign Center, Burger King, gyms, shopping center, Popeyes, Wendys, basically across the road from the golf course, yet still nestled away in the quiet, peaceful community of Brumalia. It cannot get any better than this. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 75 million or US $487.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.